Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2016 Subaru Outback Limited all-wheel drive, stock number Z7317A. 33,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, tungsten metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. This Outback has advanced safety features, backup camera, blind spot monitor, adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. Removable mats for easy cleaning. Split seat back, folds flat easily with the pull of a handle. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, upgraded Harman kardon sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. It's also where you set the adaptive cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and AHA radio. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, heated front seats, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, automatic transmission, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the auto dimming mirror, Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Outback has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 33 on the highway, all that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7317A to 662.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.